This is the elevator to Macy's in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Let's go up to 3. Door close button does not work. Let's check the phone. King's 3 ED compliant. The dinner bell broke, so EPCO chime is in. I do like it. The dinner bell's just better. Capacity for 500 pounds. Let's look up the shaft. Whoa, close up so fast. Let's get our cab view. It's a very nice elevator. There your EPCO CL CircleLine. Now we'll check the phone. Hands-free ED code of my phone. It's a King's 3. Here you're at the 2nd floor. This door used to be Kaufmann's. Now we have to sanitize after this. We'll set this one up. We'll watch the doors close. There goes Ann. That's it.